politics should stay out of Great My Tractor is Calling and I Must Go shirt. The sport says the people who reckon there should be a national anthem at every friggin' game played. When aren't they? They're scared of progress because it's an insult to their archaic views. But at least the stress will drain their clock a bit quicker. Bogut and Harrison Barnes were regularly Great My Tractor is Calling and I Must Go shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. Who tells it like it is are going to be the ones most offended. This. I just looked the interviewer in the eye, said, "Sorry, I need a few minutes," and hustled out of that room with my sphincter winking like Pee Wee Herman. Some reporter asked LeBron why he missed an anthem a few games ago. And he just said, "Are you sure you want a Great My Tractor is Calling and I Must Go shirt?" Millions of fans watching. Those guys didn't go and fight for his freedom just to have him go and take before a basketball game. Stupid person. Other products. Are you looking for ideas for gifts to make this holiday season using vinyl or iron-on? I hope you have fun this holiday season. It may not have been everyone's cup of tea, but I enjoyed it. You may also use these Christmas wishes as Christmas card wordings, Christmas SMS, and Christmas text messages. Send these wonderful heartwarming Merry Christmas wishes text to your friends and relatives. You can send these Christmas images, pictures, photos, HD wallpapers to your friends and relatives. 51. May the closeness of your loved ones, family, and friends fill your heart with joy. With Anglicanism the state religion, British public schools put on nativity plays not though to make them inclusive. The three wise men may carry a menorah and talk about Diwali, and the Queen gives a televised Christmas speech. Other products.